Welcome back, everyone, into another video of Spicy Suplex. I am Bazzy, and then this is my stepdad.
I am the Infernal Fury himself, Zach, the Spicy Suplex Machine, back at it again with a new video. So today, I made an order. Not today, a couple weeks ago, made an order to a candy site to look for some local or Canadian goods so that it didn't cost me extra money. And I found the mother load, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things I'm going to eat. One of them is technically a challenge, still 2 of them, but you know what, we're just gonna eat them all. And Bazzy's got a couple sour things that he's gonna try, and he's also gonna try some of these spicy things. So first up, to get the ball rolling, we have from Hot Ones, tangy chili snack mix, mild.
No way. Oh.
So,
Oh my God.
got pretzels in here, peanuts. Where am I here? Little peanut action. Nope, that's not peanut. Here we go.
Those are good.
So it's meant that it's inspired by their classic hot sauce that they made on Hot Ones, red chili. A mild mix of spicy peanuts, pretzels, sesame sticks, toasted corn, cashews, and seasoning inspired by the classic original hot sauce. Another piece. So I think spice, if you like spicy chips and stuff.
The pretzel tastes the best.
If you like spicy snacks and stuff, this would probably be the go-to. It's not super hot, but for the normie, I bet you could eat a whole bag of these and have a nice little mouth burn. So I'm gonna say a burn was at a 1, and the taste
What's that?
at a probably a 10. So this next one, so I said sort of red chili and cider vinegar. We have another Hot Ones exclusive. So we have, what does it say? Smoky sweet. So there we go. So green chili and sweet fruit. That's inspired by the Los Calientes Verde hot sauce. So let's open this bad boy up. Hold it your little hand there, buddy.
Hold on, please.
Oop, that's okay. You don't have to eat all of those if you don't want.
Oh yeah, I need it.
No, this one. That one tastes real good. Now, I actually felt more heat on the first one than this one.
I felt more heat on this one than the first one.
Oh, it's a little after heat, but still very manageable heat. It's less forward than this one because this one has a lot more sweetness in it, and the Verde kind of probably adds to that. So I say if I could go above 10 on my flavor scale, I would definitely go above 10 on a flavor scale. Still at a 1 for heat, 10 plus for flavor for me.
Same here.
Same there?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm so excited for one of the spicy challenges.
I'm feeling a little thirsty. So I figured to quench some of my thirst, I'm gonna drink some ghost pepper soda. Also from the site.
I actually feel a little thirsty too, so I'll drink I think I'm gonna drink this.
Where is it?
Toxic Waste Sour Lemon Lime Fizzy Soda. How do you drink that?
That's a very unique taste. Very, very unique taste. Getting a little bit of heat. Definitely not ghost pepper level heat, or else this would probably be a challenge. But very, very tasty and very cool if you were a pepperhead. Want to taste some Flavor Flav. Excuse me.
The flavor.
Is it sour?
9 out of 10 for the flavor. Sourness, 0 out of 10.
0 for sourness.
It's like I barely even made a French.
A finch? All right. So next on our list is, so it says heat level is medium to hot. So I didn't, on the site, didn't see if they had like a spicy one, like a last dab experience one. I hope they come out with one though. But this one's like inspired by the Rojo hot sauce.
Let's see.
Let's see. Can you grab some out of there? Show our fingers in there.
Oh. The sourness and the spiciness doesn't taste good together.
Oh, there's the habanero.
I would give the heat. I would give the heat 3 out of 10. And then I would give the taste 4 out of 10.
Taste for me, it's probably the least tasty out of them all. But for myself and recently wanting to increase eating some spicy snacks just to help with tolerance and whatnot, I think that's like a slamming like 3 of snack heat, not like my personal heat level. But definitely, like, I think if you eat a whole bag of them, you would get a little bit of a sweat on. Get a little bit of sweat on. Do you want to try the ghost pepper soda?
After I eat, okay.
Don't backwash. 1, 2, 3, ghost pepper soda.
Flavor, 0 flavor. 0 flavor. 0 flavor, the heat, 0. Everything's 0 on that. Let me drink some of this. It did not taste good.
So, moving. I'll try this one too.
It's not that sour.
Ugh.
I like the flavor.
It tastes like if you were to have a lemon lime slushie that had been left out in the sun too long and melted and just turned into a syrup. That's not a soda, that's a like carbonated syrup. All right, we got one more chip to try. And this one was the bonus one that they gave me for like 50 cents.
I'm excited to try this one.
And I believe these are from India. Lay's India. So these are Lay's Sizzling Hot. Never heard of them. I've tried Lay's Flamin' Hot. But where's my scissors? Oh, there they are.
Those probably did not taste good. What's that?
Here's a good one.
Oh.
Ready? 3, 2, wait. Excuse me. Oh, it had a nice little spice to it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sizzling hot.
There's a little bit of an afterburn, but it just tastes like normal Lay's. There's just a little bit of afterburn.
Well, I don't know if it's because we just ate a bunch of spicy snack mix, but yeah, like I said, it was like a little bit of something after that, but I wouldn't call it sizzling. It's like if you have a hot pan and you just sprinkle some water on it and it gives you a little bubble back, that's about it. Okay, so now, well, Bazzy is going to try to drink the rest of this pop here.
You didn't tell me that.
Newsflash. I'm going to be doing, I don't know if it's a viral sensation. I've been seeing them though, popping up. So this is those ghost pepper spicy black noodles. I just posted that short. Here are said noodles. They are black. So there's no time limit on here. So let's just say, let's see who can finish first. If Bazzy can finish drinking his pop before I can finish eating these noodles. Think they'll cool down enough?
When do we start?
3, 2, 1, go. Finally some heat. If anyone's ever tried the bulldog noodles, the ones with the fire-breathing chicken on them, these are hotter.
Excuse me. Oh, spice came up. Oh.
This is actually challenge worthy. I'm like actually legit hot.
I'm not sure if you can hear it from the camera, but if you can, he's really pretty hardly.
Pretty hardly at all.
Oh. Oh. They got so close.
I ain't gonna lose on my own channel, brother. That,
I almost beat you.
that,
You won by like 5 seconds.
that was actually very hot. Now, there's no rules other than eat the whole thing, survive it. Take a video of you eating the whole cup, post it and tag Bayback Noodles and hashtag can or not challenge. So that was that one. Then you may say, is that it? What about dessert? So my dessert. Yep.
Okay, I literally feel like I'm gonna puke. Oh my god.
Is the gummy fireworm challenge. If you're gonna puke, go to the garbage can in the laundry room, bud.
Okay, if I don't feel like I'm gonna puke, I'll come back.
Just joining that challenge life. But also to give myself some reprieve, I got a Nevada Reaper soda. The hottest of their sodas. Smells like a spicy pickle. Oh, that is hot. So, I watched Brian Ames. Shout out to Brian. Wow. And he did this. So, you start from the green, which is jalapeno, then habanero, then ghost, then Carolina Reaper.
Oh, that's gonna get you.
Are you gonna do your sour dessert?
Yeah. I just did it.
You can do it at the same time because we're already running close to 20 minutes here. Yeah, we gotta, I don't want it to be a 30-minute video.
Oh my god.
Okay, well, gummy fireworm challenge.
What?
Tell them what it is first.
I'm doing a sweet shot challenge. So there is sourness in here, and I have to put it all in my mouth and not make a face. And I also have to beat him.
Apparently, that's really good.
I can't even open the lid.
So I know they have these in the States. So my fellow pepperheads in the US, gotta try this. Such a good flavor.
Could you open this, please?
What the heck did you put on there? Why is it so slimy?
Is he a gummy bear?
No, I didn't touch it.
Thank you.
He was cheating. He just wanted me to put my thing down.
I am so scared. Right.
On to the habanero part.
Oh. It comes out so...
Orange habanero. Delicious. Smackdown tonight, guys. Do you think the bloodline is going to get involved in this no bloodline confrontation? I say yes. On to the ghost pepper, by the way. There it is. We got the chicken skin. Now, look at how dark this ghost pepper one is. I mean, this Carolina Reaper.
I'm losing. This thing comes out so slow. It's sticky. It's sticking to the top of my mouth. You finished it?
Mm-hmm. You can taste the Carolina Reaper in that. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, forgot. And what can I say? At the end of the day, there is no amount of spicy challenges, of spicy snacks that the Infernal Fury cannot accomplish. Not on this day, not on the next. There is no challenger who can beat said me in the spicy ring at a race of spicy eating. So I put the challenge out to you guys. How fast can you consume a gauntlet challenge? How many things can you consume of spice and or sour? I encourage also other spicy content creators who have kids or wives, husbands, get them involved. Find something that they are going to be good at and they are going to have fun doing. Bazzy was brave enough to try these spicy snacks and a sip of spicy soda, and he is brave enough to challenge any sour challenge. So that's the nice heartwarming message that I would like to promote. And this is making video with my kid is always a lot of fun. So did you have fun? I had lots of fun. All right, did you enjoy the snacks?
This thing is super sticky and it comes out as slow as heck.
But how does it taste?
It tastes 10 plus. Definitely.
10 plus. All right. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and when you go to school on Monday and your teacher is just about to hand you back that paper, you take the paper from her but then you hold on to it, look her right in the eye, kick her in the stomach, stone cold stunner. Have a good one.